Hello everyone. Today, we will explore an inspiring story of perseverance, faith and the spirit of never giving up. That is the journey of SpaceX, the world's leading private space company. Founded by Elon Musk. Have you ever wondered, how can a new company like SpaceX rise from initial painful failures to sign a $1.6 billion contract with NASA? Not everyone knows that before its success, SpaceX had experienced 3 consecutive failed rocket tests, faced the risk of bankruptcy and was doubted by the whole world. Let's sit down and explore this inspiring story to see that sometimes, failures are the biggest stepping stones to great success. SpaceX was founded by Musk, a South African businessman. At the age of 30, Musk made his first fortune selling 2 successful companies, including Zip2 for $307 million in 1999 and PayPal, which was acquired by eBay for $1.5 billion in 2002. Musk decided that his next big venture would be a private space company. Musk initially came up with the idea of sending a greenhouse called Mars Oasis to the Red Planet. His goal was to raise public interest in space exploration and provide a scientific research station on Mars. But the cost was too high. So Musk instead founded a company called Space Exploration Technologies Corp., or SpaceX, in the Los Angeles, California, suburb of Hawthorne on March 14, 2002. Musk spent a third of his previous profit of $100 million to get SpaceX up and running. After 18 months of development, SpaceX introduced its first prototype in 2006 under the name Dragon. Musk chose the name from a 1960s song because many thought his space goals were impossible. When Elon Musk founded SpaceX, the idea of a private space industry was considered by many to be science fiction. Commercial companies rarely succeeded in this field, due to the huge costs and high technological risks. Musk himself, who had no background in aerospace engineering, faced skepticism from both the industry and investors. Musk began by educating himself about space technology, reading books and working with experts to understand the principles of rocket design and operation. Initially, he planned to buy rockets from Russia to save money. However, when a deal failed, Musk decided to build his own rockets. It was a risky decision, but it reflected his bold vision and daredevil spirit. One of the biggest reasons Musk founded SpaceX was that he realized that the space industry was operating at an unsustainable cost. Launching a rocket into space costs hundreds of millions of dollars, and most rockets are destroyed after launch, leading to huge waste. Musk believed that reusing rockets could significantly reduce this cost, opening up space access to more people. To achieve this, SpaceX focused on developing reusable rocket technology, typically the Falcon 1 and later the Falcon 9. Despite many initial failures, this goal laid the foundation for a breakthrough in the private space industry. Musk not only wanted to reduce costs, but also aimed to launch rockets quickly and efficiently, making spaceflights a regular activity. 3 failed launches and a costly lesson. First failure. Falcon 1 an incomplete flight. The first launch of Falcon 1 took place on March 24, 2006, from the launch pad on Omelek Island in the Pacific Ocean. This was the first rocket that SpaceX designed and built with the ambition of creating a more economical solution for orbital flights. However, shortly after liftoff, the rocket suffered a problem when the main Merlin engine leaked fuel. The leak led to an engine fire, causing Falcon 1 to fall into the ocean after only 33 seconds. Despite the failure, Elon Musk and his team did not see this as the end but as an important lesson. They quickly analyzed the cause, improved the Merlin engine, and strengthened pre-launch testing procedures. Second failure. Falcon 1 engine shutdown. The second launch in March 2007 was also unsuccessful. The rocket had been in flight for 5 minutes when the first stage engine suddenly shut down and collided with the second stage, causing a serious accident. The cause was determined to be a technical problem during the separation of the stages. This was when SpaceX began to face enormous pressure. The whole team had to face doubts from the scientific community and the fear of bankruptcy. However, Musk continued to emphasize the importance of learning from mistakes and applying necessary improvements to avoid repeating the error. The third failure. Falcon 1 the line between life and death. In August 2008, the third launch was SpaceX's last chance to prove the feasibility of Falcon 1. But once again, failure happened. A technical problem during the separation stage destabilized the rocket and could not complete the mission. After 3 consecutive failures, SpaceX was on the brink of collapse. Finances were depleted, reputations were threatened, and investor confidence was almost gone. Elon Musk shared that this was the most difficult time of his career. When both SpaceX and Tesla were in financial crisis, Musk had to spend all his personal assets and even borrow from friends to keep SpaceX operating. From 3 painful failures, SpaceX learned vital lessons to build the foundation for later resounding successes. First, their team realized the importance of controlling the engineering process more closely and meticulously, by analyzing each problem in detail to continuously improve both design and operation. Moreover, perseverance in the face of failure became a guiding principle. When Elon Musk remained steadfast in his long-term vision despite facing enormous pressure from finance and public opinion, not stopping at correcting mistakes, SpaceX applied the spirit of continuous innovation, using bold initiatives to improve the performance and reliability of Falcon 1. It was these lessons that helped SpaceX not only rise up after failure but also rise to become a symbol of innovation and perseverance in the space industry. The historic $1.6 billion contract with NASA, a golden milestone in SpaceX's journey. In 2008, SpaceX faced bankruptcy after 3 consecutive Falcon 1 rocket failures. This was not only a financial shock but also a major blow to the company's reputation. Elon Musk, who had invested all his personal assets in SpaceX, was facing a thin line between success and complete failure. The 4th Falcon 1 launch was considered SpaceX's last chance to prove its worth and viability in the space industry. The success of this launch not only saved SpaceX but also opened up a major cooperation opportunity with NASA, a turning point that completely changed the company's future. When SpaceX was first established, it was considered an outsider in the space industry, which was dominated by large corporations such as Boeing and Lockheed Martin. However, the success of the Falcon 1 demonstrated that SpaceX could achieve breakthroughs at a much lower cost than its competitors. This was a key factor that attracted the attention of NASA, which was looking for a private partner to reduce the cost of transporting cargo and crew to the International Space Station, ISS. In December 2008, NASA awarded SpaceX a $1.6 billion contract under the Commercial Resupply Services (CRS) program. Under the contract, SpaceX would carry out 12 cargo missions to the ISS using its Dragon spacecraft and Falcon 9 rocket. This was the first time NASA had trusted a private company for such important missions, marking a historic shift in the way the agency collaborated with the private sector. This contract not only provided the financial resources SpaceX needed to continue its development, but also strengthened the company's global reputation. The NASA recognition transformed SpaceX from a small startup into a full-fledged player in the space industry. The contract also laid the foundation for SpaceX to expand its operations. From developing the Falcon Heavy to bold projects like Starship, a spacecraft system that will take humans to Mars. The NASA contract was not only a victory for SpaceX, but also changed the way the space industry operated. Previously, space projects were mainly funded by the government, with high costs and little innovation. SpaceX's participation spurred competition and innovation in the field. The company not only proved that space missions could be done at a lower cost, but also paved the way for the development of the commercial space industry. The $1.6 billion NASA contract is a testament to the importance of perseverance, innovation and the ability to seize opportunities. If Elon Musk had not continued to invest and believe in SpaceX's potential, the company might have collapsed before reaching this turning point. This event is an inspiration for those who are facing difficulties. Great success often comes only when we dare to take risks and persevere to the end. Each failure of SpaceX is not simply a loss but an opportunity to learn and grow. Elon Musk and his team have carefully analyzed each problem in the failed launches to find the cause and thoroughly fix it. They never stop asking questions and always pursue solutions from the root. Musk's first principles spirit has helped SpaceX improve technology, from engine design to how to build and reuse rockets. This is proof that failure is not a stopping point, but the foundation for innovation. SpaceX's success lies not only in launching rockets into orbit but also in changing the way the world views the space industry. Previously, this field was dominated by governments and required huge budgets. But SpaceX has proven that the private sector can contribute more efficiently and creatively to space exploration. SpaceX's reusable rocket technology, such as the Falcon 9, has dramatically reduced the cost of launching rockets, opening up a new era of more affordable space projects. SpaceX's journey is a vivid illustration of the spirit of not giving up. Even in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds, Elon Musk is not only the founder but also a great inspiration to his team. His perseverance has inspired not only SpaceX employees but the whole world. This story reminds us that success does not come easily, it requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to take risks. SpaceX's success is not only a personal achievement for Elon Musk, but also an important stepping stone for humanity and space exploration, with projects like Starship and the goal of sending humans to Mars. SpaceX is redefining human ambition. In addition, the company has also inspired many other private space startups, creating an innovative ecosystem in the space field. This is a testament to how perseverance and innovation not only change the game but also open up new horizons for humanity. The story of SpaceX is a living proof that failure is not an enemy, but the best teacher if we know how to learn and rise up. Elon Musk and SpaceX not only conquered technical limits but also conquered people's hearts with a strong belief in the future. That is the biggest message this story leaves behind: persevere, innovate, and never stop dreaming.